Hi guys, hope you sleep well. Well, I didn't. At the end of the video, you can watch what is the reason why I didn't sleep well. But first, let me take you to the breakfast. Here is the River Café Terrace in the Peninsula Bangkok hotel. It is a breakfast buffet, but also have the live cooking station. No doubt, Thailand has the best food. Look at the beautiful mango. However, the French pastry is still my favorite. It is start from 6 a.m. meaning now to 10:30 on the weekday, but on the weekend it's until 11. And look at those freshly made dim sum. This is something different. It's a special Egg Benedict station. Yum! Last episode, I showed you the icon Siam shopping center, and now I show you the food area. In Thailand, especially Bangkok, they like all kind of food, especially Asian food. Here you can find lots of Japanese restaurant, Indian restaurant, Vietnamese restaurant, lots of choice. By the way, do you like that? Nice to meet you and nice to see you. Icon Siam is a large shopping center in Bangkok, has over 100 restaurants and food outlets. Those range from fine dining establishment to casual eater and food court. But now I like to show you is the Sook Siam, S-O-O-K, Sook Siam zone, which is I find it is the most interesting area in Icon Siam. Sook Siam is a unique culture and shopping zone located on the ground floor of Icon Siam, Bangkok. It is designed to celebrate the rich cultural diversity of Thailand, offering a vibrant experience that reflects the culture's heritage, tradition, and flavor for all four main regions: North, Northeast, Central, and South. Now is dinner time. Tonight we are very excited to go to a new restaurant called Khaan, Khaan. The chef Arnaud Suzanne, I hope the pronunciation is right. She was the winner of 2021 Michelin Guide Young Chef Award. Tonight I'm dining in Khaan in Bangkok, and the menu today is 11 courses, and I will be one by one to describe about the ingredient and the taste. Also, I'm doing a tea pairing with the menu, and this is here. And they are represent the Thailand and South, East, Center, and North. The first one we have is the South Thailand, which is a organic egg with tamarind, chili. It's delicious. This is absolutely beautiful. But if you don't like chili, that's a different story. Second one, we have, I don't know, I have to taste it first and let you know. Now I have the center of Thai. So this one is a north of Thailand. It's actually two pieces. My first course I have is Hokkaido, Scotland. So in Japanese, Hokkaido, which is I spent my teenage time there. The area is called Salomako. I hope one day I can see the family again. Let me pan it for you. That's really beautiful. It's cool. And pair with a oolong cha. So,
because of you, use a finger hand.
So my next dish is oyster, but it's a two-way. Okay. So what is surprise? Inside is actually not an oyster. It's oyster shell for a phone.
Thank you.
How about the soup?
Delicious. Chili.
Is it?
I'm loving.
This is delicious.
Oh. Me too.
Tomato sorbet.
It really is. Nothing better. Seems a little bit bright on.
For the personal chef to make it clean.
Yes.
But we use the lamb shank. I'm sorry.
This is
This one.
Yeah.
The lamb shank first. And after that, we cook with the Thai and Indian curry around the 6 hours. And after that, we
So before dessert, this is a palate cleanser. Pineapple cream. What is the green thing?
Basil sauce.
Basil sauce. So good.
Hi,
Hello, chef.
Yeah.
How was the food?
Wonderful.
Very good. Thank you.
Thank you. So your next part is pumpkin. I mean the whole pumpkin. Normally Thai people use pumpkin to make some Thai food and dessert. That's why we got inspiration for this talk. Then you will get the hot and cold concept. For the hot, we use pumpkin to compose with ginger and cinnamon syrup. Then we flambe with Thai water.
Sizzling.
Alcohol.
Beep, 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 beep.
So which one is your favorite dish for tonight?
Good question.
Mine's lamb.
Oh, the lamb is. Oh, he doesn't eat lamb.
I don't know.
Oh,
First,
really?
first time.
Yeah.
In
How
first
is that?
I don't think I have lamb. I should say last time I have lamb was maybe 2020. 2000.
And I recommend you eat everything a bit in one bite to get a hot and cold concept.
Oh.
So here we would like to present like crispy roll. Inside we have black sesame cream, the sticky rice doing until very soft. The powder on the center that is like local sesame that go a lot from there, and they use a lot also. So
After the wonderful meal, I can tell you I'm not eating just the food, I'm eating art. The chef is very smart, mixing the traditional Thai and the modern Thai, also the local cuisine. Put it together, really well present, very enjoyed. I'm not any food critic at all. Yeah, I don't know much about food. I just know, just to taste. But I can tell you, if you don't believe what I just tasted, take a look at the TripAdvisor. Hope to see you there. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification. Thank you for watching. Thank you, chef.
thank you.
I just mentioned to the staff, and your food is not just about delicious.
Oh wow.
I actually feel like I'm eating art.
Thank you so much.
That's how I feel.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. I'll see you next time.
See you next time. ขอบคุณค่ะ
Fantastic.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks. ขอบคุณมาก
Thank you. See ya. I was unsure if I should talk about this from the beginning. After a sleepless night, it means it was bothering us. It happened in a Japanese restaurant called Zuma. My partner, it was denied enter to the restaurant. Why? They say because he was wearing a sandal. But hold on, it was a Hermes Cypress sandal. This style on the screen. The thing is, I saw a woman also wearing a similar style sandal in the restaurant. Now here's the question. The difference in dress code, such as women being allowed to wear a sandal but men often can't. To me, if you want to be a fashion police, learn some fashion sense first. At the end, I have to take off my socks for him to wear to enter the restaurant. So, let me know what do you think. Once again, thank you for watching. If you can hit the like, subscribe, and turn on the notification, I will much appreciate it.
チャンネル登録お願いします。